Hi guys, Muni back here with another video. Today we are gonna compare the first generation of Fold with the latest and greatest Z Fold2. We are gonna take a look at what Samsung improved over the first generation of Fold. Stay tuned and find out all the improvements. But before we move on to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and make sure you hit that bell button so you are not gonna miss any future videos. As a first glance, we can see the major differences in design with the screen, no more bezels and no more notches. The Fold has a 4.6 Super AMOLED cover display with big bezels at the top and bottom of the screen and a 7.3-inch main display with a big notch for the cameras, while the Z Fold 2 has a way bigger 6.3 inches Super AMOLED cover display with a punch hole and a 7.6-inch main display with just a little punch hole for the camera. The Fold has just one storage option, 512GB of internal storage with 12GB of RAM, while with the Z Fold 2 you can choose either 256GB or 512GB for the internal storage and 12GB of RAM. Also, the Z Fold 2 has UFS 3.1 while the Fold has just UFS 3.0. So the Z Fold is gonna be slightly faster with big files. At the camera department, there are no big changes, just ups and downs between the two of them. For the main camera, both have a triple camera setup. The Fold has a 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide, while the Z Fold 2 has a 12 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel telephoto camera with 2x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. For the selfie camera, the Fold has a 12 megapixel camera and an 8 megapixel depth sensor, while the Z Fold 2 has just a 10 megapixel camera. And for the cover camera, both have a 10 megapixel camera, but the Z Fold 2 is capable only of 4K 30fps with the cover camera, while the Fold could go up to 4K 60fps. For the battery, we have a 4380 mAh battery for the Fold and the 4500 for the Z Fold 2. And while the Fold was capable only of 15W fast charging, the Z Fold 2 is capable of 25W fast charging. Both of them have wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, but while the reverse wireless charging is the same at the both phones at 4.5 watts, the wireless charging went down from 15 watts on the Fold to 11 watts on the Z Fold 2. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.